Very good afternoon, students. Today we are going to see NCERT syllabus class 2 Maths. Chapter 3, How much can you carry? The clever donkey and his heavy sack. So today we are going to start with the story. The story name is The Clever Donkey and His Heavy Sack. So you can able to see a small boy. His name is Sadesh. He has a donkey. It carries a sack full of salt on its back. So you can able to see a donkey. It is carrying a sack full of salt on its back. So they have to go for the market. So while going they have to cross across the river. So Sadesh and the donkey was crossing the river. While crossing the river, the donkey was slipped into the river. So guess why the sack felt lighter? So the donkey felt the sack was lighter. So can you guess why the sack felt lighter? Because the sack of salt dissolved in river. So the donkey felt lighter. So there was a sack full of salt. So when it is slipped inside the river, the salt was dissolved in the river. So the donkey felt lighter. So again, the Sadesh what he did? He filled some salt inside that sack. So what the donkey did? Again it got slipped. So, let me teach him a lesson. So Sadesh is saying that let me teach him a lesson. He found the donkey is doing some trick. So what he did? Again he has sent the donkey and he has packed the donkey with the woolen. So now what would you happen to the donkey when it dipped to the river? So again while it is going, it has planned to dip inside the river. So the sacks of woolen cloth become heavy on absorbing water. So the donkey felt heavier. You can see that the donkey is feeling heavier. How it is feeling heavier? So first, what the Sadesh did? At the first time he has filled the bag with the salt. Now what he did? He has filled the bag with the woolen cloth. So what will the woolen cloth will do? The woolen cloth will absorb all the water. So the donkey has felt heavier. Next, Raju wants to ride a Caesar. So he wants to play in a Caesar. So he has to go for a ride in a Caesar. So Raju needs a friend to ride a Caesar. Rani comes to help Raju. So Rani has come to help Raju. But still, Raju cannot ride it. Why? But still, Raju cannot ride it. Why? Can you tell why? Because Raju is heavier or lighter than Rani? Raju is heavier as he is heavy enough to pull down the Caesar on his side. Can you see? Raju is heavier as he is heavy enough to pull down the Caesar on his side. Assam comes to help them. Can you see the boy who is sitting? His name is Assam. Can you tell why the Caesar turned this way? Raju is lighter than the Rani and Assam. Yes, Raju is lighter than the Rani and Assam. Raju is lighter. Can you see? Yes. So Raju is lighter than Rani and Assam as the total weight of Rani and Assam is more than the weight of Raju. Yes, Raju is lighter and Assam and Rani is heavier. So what the Raju is saying? I have an idea. Let me keep the bag with me. So he is planning to keep the bag with him. So we are all enjoying the ride. So they were equal weights were balanced. So they are enjoying their rides. So now we are going to see about few examples regarding heavier or lighter. So draw a line to match the heavier one. Now we can see the two fruits, right? One is an orange and another one is a pumpkin. So pumpkin is a heavier one here. So they have drawn a line. Yes. Next, Draw a line to match the heavier one. So you can see the bottle and a pot, and pot is the heavier one. Yes. Next, so you can see two glasses and a jug. Here jug is the heavier one. Can you see? So they have keep a mug and a bucket. So bucket is a heavier one. So they have drawn a line. So today we have seen some topic related to heavier or lighter. I think you had understood, dears. So please go through the lesson. Whatever I thought, you would find it easy. Thank you, dears.